Customer focus is essential for us. It guides us in everything we do on a daily basis. Relationships with our customers is the basics of our collaboration.
My work with the customer is a partnership, built on mutual trust. My objective is to deliver an aircraft, and in fact this goal, my objective, is the same goal as the customer. So we need to work together.
Listening is essential. When we listen to our customers, we understand what the customer needs, and we are able then to find a solution for that need. Today, we are co-designing, co-creating with our customers. That demonstrates that from the inception of any new idea, we do it with our customers, for our customers. Our customer focus is for everyone in Airbus. It stems in every team within our organization.
We need the customer, and we need to understand what they expect.
This is our target, to satisfy our customers.